The reported camera enhancements for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be a crucial component of Samsung's presentation for the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. And we'll break down all the rumors and leaks you should be aware of. With the iPhone 15 Pro Max already delivering better cameras and the Google Pixel 8 Pro upping its camera game, Samsung must develop its camera technology or risk falling behind. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is now at the top of our list of the best camera phones, but Samsung will not be able to keep that position without pushing things ahead. Fortunately, changes to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's cameras look to be on the way, including a possibly much larger primary sensor. However, there is a contentious zoom rumor that seems to be a downgrade. Here's all we've learned so far about the Galaxy S24 Ultra cameras. The primary rear camera of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be a 200 megapixels camera once again. This was an update introduced by the Galaxy S23 Ultra, so based on Samsung's regular upgrade patterns, we're unlikely to see any big changes for another year or two. However, there have been reports that the accurate 200 megapixels sensor used by Samsung might be changed. According to one popular myth, this sensor might be an inch in size, which would be significant. A sensor of this size would be able to capture more light and produce brighter, more vivid photographs than a standard smartphone sensor, giving the Galaxy S24 Ultra an edge before any photo processing occurs. Thus far, no changes to the 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera present on the Galaxy S23 Ultra have been speculated, thus we expect it will be retained in its entirety for usage in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is sad since this camera has gotten little attention for years, and another year with no changes would be terrible news for its performance. There's still the possibility that additional rumors may emerge between now and launch, and software enhancements might still imply increased performance without any physical changes to the camera. Here's where the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera upgrades could get the most attention. After a few years of the same 10 megapixels camera pair with 3x and 10x zoom, the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems to be set to alter things, but possibly not in the manner you'd want. The 3x 10 megapixels zoom is set to remain. Instead of the 10x zoom camera, we might see a 5x telephoto lens with a greater 50 megapixels sensor quality. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.